Hi, I'm Heather. Welcome to class. Today I'm going to give you 3 tips for Utthita Parsvakonasana, the extended lateral angle pose.
Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified when a new video is available.
Let's begin. From Tadasana, we'll jump or step the arms and legs wide. Inhale. Exhale. Let's set the feet underneath our hands. We take a considerably wide stance. Turn right foot and thigh out, left foot in, and we'll work with our first tip. Tip number 1, plug the back heel. As you press the left thigh and shin back, work strongly to anchor through the outer left heel. Inhale. Bend the right knee. And we move on to tip number 2. Bring the right thigh parallel to the floor. We need to descend the hips to do that. It may be easier to descend the hips once we've taken our hand to the floor. Inhale. Exhale. As we lean over the right leg, take your fingertips to the floor behind the right foot. Press your knee back to the arm and descend your hips. Rather than having the hips up high, can you descend the hips so that your right thigh bone comes more parallel to the floor? Then we're creating a straight diagonal line from the outer left heel through the outer leg, the side waist, side chest, through the arm to the fingertips. Third tip, as you plug the back heel, revolve the left chest up to look up. All the while we're pinning the right knee back to our arm. As you push into the back heel, stand up, inhale, turn your feet, and we'll go to the left side. Turn the left thigh out, left foot out. And before we even bend the knee, plug the back heel. Press the right thigh back, right shin back. Dig the outer right heel into the floor and maintain that awareness of digging the heel into the floor as we bend this left knee. Inhale. Bend the knee, exhale. As we bend the knee, we want to descend the hips, and as I said on the other side, it may be easier to descend the hips, bringing this thigh bone parallel to the floor when we take the hand down to the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Tip over the leg, fingertips to the floor behind the foot, and pin your knee back to the arm. Then again, just note, are the hips up high? Can you lower the hips, bring in a deeper knee bend, a right angle knee bend, so that your left thigh bone comes parallel to the floor. Then we can create this diagonal line from outer right foot to fingertips. As you push into that back heel, right heel plugging down, spin the right side chest up to look up. Use the pressure in the back heel to help you stand up. Inhale, all the way up. Turn your feet. We jump or step back in to Tadasana. A way to help us work with those 3 tips is to utilize 2 blocks. We'll place one block flat, so we can use that as a platform for our right foot. The other block stands tall, and we'll put it in front of our platform. Right foot on our platform, bend the right knee, Stride the left leg back. So now the knee is vertically top of the ankle, thigh bone coming more and more parallel to the floor as we take this left leg back, plug into the left heel. And we're going to reach to the block in front of the leg. Inhale. Exhale as you tip over to the side. Reach your hand to the block in front of your leg, and for a moment, place your hand on the waist. Here we're descending the hips. Using the height underneath our right foot can help us transfer weight into this back heel and help us bring our hips down, perhaps a little lower, therefore bringing our right thigh parallel to the floor. Note with our arm in front, sometimes the pressure of the knee against the arm can cause this shoulder tip to roll forward. So as you press your arm bone back into your knee, encouraging the knee back, roll the shoulder tip back. Right shoulder tip rolls back. Left arm up, left chest up. As you plug into the left heel, turn the left chest up, stretch the left arm over to create that diagonal line. If you find your shoulder feels restricted, it gets stuck, you could try swinging the arm forward and over, revolving the left chest back up to the ceiling. Slowly we stand up, inhale, and we shimmy the back leg in to swap sides. Place your flat block, your platform block for your left foot, your tall block in front of that. Left foot on your platform. As you bend the knee, align the knee vertically top the ankle and take the right leg a long way back, lowering the hips so that your left thigh bone comes parallel to the floor. Stretch out to the fingertips. Inhale. Exhale, lean over the leg, hand to the block. We're using a tall block to help give us height and lift in the chest. As you use your arm to encourage the knee back, again, watch that your shoulder tip is not rolling forward. You don't want to internally rotate your arm. Can you roll the biceps forward and out as the shoulder tip presses back? As you descend the hips, keep plugging the back heel. Right thigh and shin press back to plug the back heel, top arm up. Turn the chest as you look up. Right side chest lifts up, and then we take the arm over. Again, if the shoulder gets stuck, sweep your arm forward and around. Look up. Forward towards your upper arm. Push into the back heel. Inhale, stand up. Shimmy the back foot in and come out of the pose. There's your 3 tips for Utthita Parsvakonasana, the extended lateral angle pose. Thanks for joining me.